We work in the shadows. No innocent shall die by my blades.
So this is the second episode of LADAKH series, and today we are going to Merak, a small village beside Pangong Lake.
The dot lost.
Hero.
Yes.
Hero.
देखो एक blue color का
खोया खोया रहता हूँ तेरी आंखों
मास्क
में.
पहना है.
Say hi! So good morning, this is day 3 in Leh. We started off from Leh around 8 o'clock in the morning. And এখানে একটা স্পটে আপাতত ব্রেকফাস্ট করতে এসেছি. যাব হচ্ছে প্যাংগং লেক. ওখানে একটা ভিলেজ আছে মেরাক, ওখানে আমাদের স্টে আছে. ওয়েদার ইজ লুকিং প্রিটি গুড. কালকে রাতে অ্যাস্ট্রোপে সবাই পাগলা হয়ে গেছে, মানে এত এত তারা এত মিল্কি ওয়ে আমি সান্দাকফুতেও দেখিনি যত না এখানে দেখা যাচ্ছে. অ্যান্ড আই হোপ প্যাংগং লেকে আই উইল গেট বেটার শটস.
पैनकेक नहीं चाहिए
না, দিস ইজ
वो सॉरी पैनकेक ना वीडियो नहीं चाहिए
Inner line permits are required to visit the other places of Ladakh.
नाम बताओ अपना.
Sneha,
क्या बोला आपका नाम?
Sneha Chatterjee.
Yalla. वो क्या फेक जगह हो गए.
Slowly and steadily, we started to gain altitude. Leh was 3500 meter and now we are reaching an altitude of 5300 meter, which is the Changla Pass.
This is Changla Pass. This is around 17,000 feet. I've been to Grudong One, which is around 18k feet, but I've never been to much higher than that. And we are going to Pangong, which is 19,000, I guess. The air is little bit low because of the altitude.
And are you feeling a little lighter? Yeah, my head feels a bit light.
But yeah, I am just coping up with it. The views, man. You can literally see the magnificent views here.
From Changla, we started off and didn't know that there will be such beautiful lake in the middle of nowhere, completely unknown. Soltak. Getting late. We have to reach Pangong before golden hour and it's 1 o'clock already. We haven't had lunch and still we have 94 kilometers to go. We had our lunch at the next stop and we were so tired by that time. We were traveling for like 5 to 6 hours by bus and we were so exhausted. So when we were like 5 to 6 kilometers away from reaching Merak, we saw the first view of Pangong Lake and oh man, what should I say? The landscape was all surrounded by brown mountains and that little tint of blue. It was so eye-soothing. We had to make a stop though. We know that we were running late. We have to reach Merak before golden hour, but we couldn't let go of that view.
আজকে রাতটা অন্ধের মতো ছবি তুলতে হবে.
We couldn't make it on time and hence have to skip golden hour shots. But the panoramic landscape is so majestic. I was in awe for some moment. Just kept our bags in the homestay and rushed to see what's around.
What up?
Hey, let's go.
I simply just cannot explain how serene this Pangong Lake looks like. I've seen many videos in YouTube, in Instagram Reels, in Google Photos. I've seen Pangong Lake a lot, but I must say that the photos or the videos are not doing any justice to this. It literally feels unreal. This is day 4 in Ladakh. We are in Merak village. Oh my god, the sun is literally like ফেটে যাচ্ছে সূর্যতে, এত গরম লাগছে, এত রোদ লাগছে। I've not even applied a sunscreen. So just an important notice to tell you all, whoever is watching the video, please make sure that you are fit enough to visit Ladakh because one of our man is down. Good morning.
Elderly couple going to Leh.
आपका मैं उनका गाड़ी में चढ़ गया
लिख हुआ है आप
प्रफुल जी ठीक है ना इट्स ओके राइट
ठीक है ऑक्सीजन
Check his pulse and everything. थोड़ा सा I think anxiety की वजह से high था. बाकी SpO2 and everything was okay.
स्पीड वाज फाइन राइट
He is having anxiety and having high altitude sickness. As the altitude is very high, around 4,100 meters, and the oxygen level is pretty low. In fact, my SpO2 level is showing like 80 to 90%. It's not even reaching above 90. So please make sure that you are fit enough to visit Ladakh, otherwise you will get the high altitude sickness, and it is really difficult if you are not fit. You will not be able to enjoy any of the scenic beauty here. So আজকে আমাদের প্ল্যান সেরকম কিছু নেই. We will do some location scouting and all. বেসিক্যালি আজকে সবাই রেস্ট নেবে, কারণ সকালবেলা থেকেই সবার হেডেক, এত অক্সিজেন লেভেল কম, তো প্রচণ্ড হেডেক হচ্ছে। তো আজকে রেস্ট ডে, রাত্রিবেলা আবার না হয় স্টার ট্রেল অ্যান্ড মিল্কি ওয়ে অ্যান্ড অল দ্যাট থিংস হবে। সো লেটস সি কীরকম কী কম্পোজিশন আসে। বাট আদারওয়াইজ প্যাংগং লেক ইজ সো বিউটিফুল, মানে এখানে জায়গায় জায়গায় কম্পোজিশন। উই হ্যাড লিটারালি নাথিং টু ডু ইন দ্য মর্নিং অ্যান্ড সো উই ওয়ার কমপ্লিটলি clueless what to do. So we shot some aesthetic shot of Pangong Lake. We were completely out of network for 2 days, and the only SIM that was working was our driver's BSNL, and each one of us has called our home to ensure that yes, we are alive.
3-4 दिन পাবেন না,
কোনো নেটওয়ার্ক নেই এখানে,
মানে
যাবে না সোজা লে।
সেক্সি ডাল করছি বাঙালি ডাল বানিয়েছে আজকে ভাই।
After we had our lunch, we got out to scout photography location, and that was the only time when I got good shots of golden hour in Merak. We got our participants for our next Milky Way adventure and ended the day with airglow sighting in Merak. Bye.
Same with South Bombay.
Gil?
That's same with any South of a city. South Calcutta was.
লোকে ভয় পেয়ে আনসাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবে এটা দিয়ে না
ব্লগ করছে আমাদের সেক্সি পোহা
অলরেডি বলেই দিলি তুই
রেডি গো